Well.
I really don't want to hear it.
Well.
David.
This guy fucking hates us. Hello, Joel.
Hi, Joel. Good morning.
Hi.
You sound like you're really happy.
Yeah, I had a fantastic night last night that I don't want to talk about.
When'd you go to bed?
Well, the plan was I left Caleb's at like 2, and I got home, went to bed, and then I proceeded to have the worst nightmare I've had in ages and could not go back to sleep. So, you know, yeah.
Freddie. I'm sorry to hear that, Joel.
That was no, Joel. That does suck to hear. That was purely just an automatic response. That was not. Joel, you must understand. You must understand, Joel. It was a Freudian slip. You must understand, Joel. I meant no malice with it.